Namaskar everyone, my name is Astro Anshul. I'm an astrologer, numerologist and Vastu consultant. Today I'll share with you Saturn in the first house. This is a series which I'm starting wherein I'll be covering Saturn through all the houses. So what is Saturn? Saturn is a malefic planet. It has a nature of giving bad results. It's a planet of discipline. It's a planet which shows struggles in a person's life. Saturn shows delays. So what happens when it comes in the house of self, in the house which is first house, which talks about your mind, which talks about your body. So this all will be covered in this video, along with I'll share some numerology combinations or how to understand the effects of Saturn through numerology and through Vedic astrology, the Parashari system that we talk about. So kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell notification so that you may get the updates of my videos. So I welcome you all. Well, what is Saturn? Saturn is a planet which shows hurdles, which shows delays in a person's life. This is a planet which is very slow moving planet. So it creates hurdles in a person's life. The person has to struggle a lot when Saturn is there in the first house. Saturn here will also cause problems or diseases in a person's life. The person becomes very introvert in nature. The person develops inferiority complex in him when Saturn is here. They always think that they are not good enough for others. This thinking of thinking themselves very small for others grows when Saturn is there in the debilitated position, or Saturn is showing the result of negative houses or the negative nakshatras like Rahu, Ketu, Shani. Then the ill effects of Saturn will be very acute. Saturn here makes a person very workaholic in nature. These people are very disciplined. If they start working on something, they will go in depth into that thing and they will continuously keep doing it. You will find these people in offices also. If they are working as a management team, then the people working under them will always say that our boss is very disciplined. They like discipline, and these are the people you will find in office will be working or staying up for long hours. They will be the people who, if the office will be asking who has to do the overtime, then they will be the first one who will be doing it. They are famous for doing long hours shift. They are very struggling in nature. They have a habit of working hard in their life. They are very disciplined people. And Saturn with this placement makes a person whose observation is always on the negative aspects on everything. Whenever they observe, instead of seeing the positive aspect of the things, they will concentrate on the negative things very quickly. Saturn here makes a person very difficult to cope up with, or they are not very social in nature. These people fall in love or they choose a partner who's much older than them. They might be getting attracted to somebody who's 10 or 15 years older to them, or may not be from the same caste or creed, from the same caste and culture. Saturn here also develops complex in people, like inferiority complex these people have. These people feel that they are not good enough for others. This is the kind of feeling which gets developed when Saturn is here. Well, Saturn, while sitting in the first house, aspects your third house, your seventh house and the 10th house. So when it aspects your third house, it creates differences from your younger sibling. These people have a problem with writing also. If Saturn is not in a benefic position, or Saturn is not giving good results, if it's debilitated, then the third aspect of the Saturn will create differences with their younger siblings. They will not be having a good relation with their younger siblings here. Saturn aspects, then seventh aspect is on your spouse. They create social distancing, like they are not able to express their affection in a manner that will create good relation with their partner. So Saturn in the first house also develops problem in their married life. Their married life doesn't go well because they are not able to express their feelings with their partner. So their partner take them as very rough kind of personality. So this creates very distance from their partner. Then Saturn here aspects your 10th house, which is a house of karma, which is a house of profession. So the person becomes very workaholic with this placement here, and they are very good and very disciplined in their office, and they are the ones who are very good with management because they are always on time. They know how to work, and they continuously continuously they look for perfection. So they keep on working harder and harder. This is the very well placement for a person who wants to become a lawyer. This is a good placement for Saturn in the first house because Saturn is also a judge. So this is a placement for lawyer or for judge, very well placed placement. Then this placement also shows a person who can work as a doctor, as a nurse, or who's related anywhere with the hospital industry or treating others or serving others is the best placement of Saturn here. Well, in Vedic astrology, I'll talk about two systems here, which in order to go a little more deeper to understand Saturn placement here, we'll understand by two methods. First is the Vedic method, that is Parashari system, wherein if Saturn is placed in Aries ascendant or Saturn in the Aries sign will be considered debilitated or not giving the good result. If for the Aries ascendant Saturn is placed in the first house, then in the first sign it will be debilitated or giving negative result. Then the ill effect which I talked about Saturn will get magnified. Then there is another method which is wherein if Saturn is sitting in the 7th sign or Libra sign, or for Libra ascendant, if Saturn is sitting in the first house, then it will be giving good results. It will be exalted here. Okay, this is one of the ways to understand. Then there is another method which is Nadi Nakshatra Jyotish or Nadi system, wherein you have to check the nakshatra. What nakshatra result the Saturn is giving. For example, the nakshatra or the star lord is giving the result of 3 malefic houses. There are 3 malefic houses as per Nadi system, which is 6th house, 8th house and 12th house. Out of these houses, if 6, 8, at least 2 malefic houses are together, like 6, 8, 8, 12 or 6, 12, then nobody can save that person. The ill effect of the Saturn will be very high or very acute. This person will not be able to work properly, and these people will be very lazy. They will not be able to maintain discipline, and struggles will be much more if Nakshatra Lord or the Star Lord are giving the result of at least 2 malefic houses, 6, 8, 8, 12 or 6, 12, or if it is the Nakshatra or the Star Lord is giving the result of all the 3 malefic houses, that is 6, 8 and 12th, then ill effects will be high. On the other hand, if with the 6, 8 or with the 6, 8, 12, 11 is there or 10 is there or 10, 11 is there, then the ill effects will be reduced to a greater extent in that person's life. This is the way to understand it. Then there is another, one more way to understand as per numerology. If Saturn is placed in the first house, if the person has double 2 in his date of birth, then the ill effects of the Saturn will be, or with double 2 if person has single 8 or triple 8, or double 2 either 8, single 8 or triple 8 anywhere in the date of birth, then bad for that person. The ill effects of Saturn will be high. If the presence of 3 of numerology and number 5, 3 and 5 are there, or either 3 or either 5 is there, then the ill effects will be reduced to a great extent, and Saturn will be able to give the positive results. So this is how you need to add 2 or 3 systems to understand the effects of Saturn in the first house. So guys, this was my observation on the Patri so far, which I have gathered. So I would like you all to share this video so that we can increase the knowledge of others in the same subject. So thank you all. Have a nice day. Namaskar.